not just DPWH engineers, not just contractors. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, may I also ask that the amounts also be read?
Yes,
I think
if it-
it's important that the public will also know the
Yes,
amounts.
if it is available, Engineer Hernandez, please mention the amount as well.
Mr. Chair, saglit na interjection lang. After the statement of Sir Bryce, may we have the copy of his statement para po makapagtanong din yung mga members based on his ongoing statement, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
If that is practicable, Deputy Speaker, we will ask him to do it, but it is a written, handwritten statement, so I think we have to listen to his entire salaysay first. Please proceed with the line items, please.
Let me repeat it, Your Honor. First, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mercado, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an allocation of 60 million pesos. Number 2, construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate at Mambog Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 45 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Iba, Hagonoy, Bulacan, amounting to 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigating structure with pumping station at Calero Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 50 million pesos. Construction of flood control structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Mayto, Kalumpit, Bulacan, with an amount of 60 million pesos. Construction of flood mitigation structure with pumping station and floodgate at Barangay Santo Rosario Creek, Phase 3, Malolo City, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And last, construction of flood mitigation structure including pumping station and floodgate, Phase 3, Barangay Carillo, Hagonoy, Bulacan, with an amount of 40 million pesos. And all of that with a total of 355 million pesos, Your Honor.
This is supposedly the allocation of which political personality?
Senator Jinggoy Ejercito Estrada po, Your Honor.
Thank you for the clarification. You can proceed with reading the handwritten